Drop the link. There we go. All right, 4-box break number 2, random teams. Bedard Chase is on. There are some other good teams out there. The Ducks are pretty good too. Don't forget about them. Kuna's got the Blackhawks. No way. One of the biggest hockey guys I know. Big Kuna. He's got the Ducks. Anthony Powell's got the Ducks. All right, left side is even, right side is odd. Here we go. Right side is odd. I'm just gonna get all these boxes open and cut this thing right here. Appreciate the fill, everybody. Good luck to all. Here we go. There's a clear-cut Christian Fisher. Emil Andre of the Young Guns there. Connor McDavid on the insert. Mats Zuccarello on the Dazzlers. Ty Carte. He might be on there. Yeah, he is. He's a decent guy. Decent rookie. How was that prospect? Canvas, black and white, Dougie Hamilton. Cal Maker, Avalanche. Raphael Lavoie. He's on there. Could be a sleeper. Dang, that's a sweet card to canvas. For the Sharks, coming out with the shark teeth. The shark mouth? Is that really their entrance? That's nasty. Dude, coolest entrance in sports? I need like a top 10 coolest entrance in sports. That's a sweet one. I don't know if it's top 10, but that's pretty sweet. I do know Clemson college football would be top 10. Clemson's entrance in college football coming down from the hill. I think they come out to Enter Sandman or something like that. It's freaking intense. You've never seen that entrance. Clemson's college football entrance is top of the line. And from bottom, it's not my last. Yeah. This guy's good. Zagras to the Ducks. Portraits. Veteran. Young Guns, Matt Murray.
Any Ty Carte yet?
Yeah,
my PC.
I just pulled this card. You want it?
Yeah. How much?
You gotta buy it from whoever owns it.
Oh, they're just giving it to me.
No. John Beecher, Young Guns, and a Lucas Condotta, Outburst Young Guns. Lucas. Just kidding, it's Lucas. It's not Lucas. What if it is Lucas? I don't know. Canvas. Think how much of this product's getting ripped today. Walker Doer. Not on my list. That's it for box one. There's a good one. Leo Carlson, Young Guns, the second best guy, going to the Ducks. Leo Carlson, Young Guns. Albers Ovi to the Caps. That's his nickname, right? Ovi. Brady to Chuck. Clay Stevenson, Young Guns. Hey. Michael Pythia. Connor McDavid, monster season. Fluorescence, Matt Murray. Oh, damage on it. Oh, no, it's not. It's just how the card is. It's like imprinted a little bit. Those aren't very common. I don't know how much they go for, but they look cool. Damon Hunt, Young Guns. Damon Hunt. Not on my list. Canvas, Young Guns. Daniil Gushin to the Sharks. There you go, Seth. I don't know this guy, but it's at least canvas. I thought Tyler was bringing in pizza. Clear cut. Juicy Sorrows. I'm butchering his name. Matt Tompkins, Young Guns. Is it Jose or Jose? I don't friggin' know, but I'm butchering that name. Like, bad. Straight up, they call me the Butcher. Benny the Butcher is here, folks. Juicy. Canvas to the Sharks. The Sharks are hitting a decent amount of cards. Seth. Obviously nothing crazy, but they're chipping away. They're chipping away at that buy-in. Dazzlers, no Kates to the Flyers. Then we have a Svozil. He's not on my list. Whoa!
Dude, you're getting naked in the office?
I know, it's hot in here, man.
That's not Bedard.
It's Leo, man.
No one cares about Leo.
They're just waiting for you to
How much are Leo's going for? I need a price check.
They're not on eBay yet. Just released.
Yeah, they've been ripping it, dude. It's in Canada, man. There's no
Why don't we
freaking...
get it until the day? It's been released.
Because we're not in Canada. Gosh. There's Seth. What up, Seth? You see what I got to deal with here, guys?
Did you check him out yet or no?
Raphael Lavoie. Outburst Gunson.
I tried posting the series one yesterday. Kyle said no.
I might be desperate enough to do a freaking $10 logo fracture rate.
No, I'll make the break, and you just got to post it. I'll get you a break now, Phil.
One box, series 2, pick one, get it. What would it be, 3?
Emo Andre, Young Guns.
That would definitely snap, Phil. Blackhawks go to Tyler.
Don't worry, guys. I got it. Don't worry. I got something in my head. It's been cooking all day.
I'm guessing he's thinking baseball.
Me?
Yeah. Or he's thinking a big hockey thing.
I'm thinking baseball. You're right there. Teasdale, Young Guns. Canvas to the Ducks. Dude, how's this guy got teeth? I thought you're not supposed to have teeth in hockey. Why is this guy smiling with teeth? You're not supposed to have teeth. Oh shit, what is it? Oh, it's a numbered One Guns. Young Guns. What did I say?
There's a bounty out for Bedard.
Out of 250. Matt Tompkins.
That's not Bedard.
That is not Bedard. You are right, Tyler. Matt Tompkins plays between the pipes. Bedard is everywhere. Lucas Condotta on the Young Gun. We call him the pipe fitter. Matt Tompkins. He fits in the pipes. And Ralphie. Raphael. I keep thinking he's Ralphie, but it's Raphael. I'm just going to go with Ralphie. Dazzler. Canvas. Break number 3 is next, everybody. Philip Gustafsson, Dazzlers. Beecher on the Young Guns to the Bruins. Deluxe Young Guns, the one out of 250. Lightning. Who's got the Lightning? I mean, it's probably pretty solid, even though he's a goalie. Jason Girard. Fluorescent to the Ducks. Erickson. Damian Hunt, Young Guns. Jason Robertson. I believe he's Dallas, right? Yeah. He was a good rookie.
You didn't sell any of my teams in that prison break?
What prison break?
Color break?
I couldn't.
Why?
Because I was jammed up.
Well, selling stuff usually means that you're not jammed up then.
I was selling stuff.
That's
Last box here. My boss is yelling at me, guys. This is proof that I'm abused. My boss is yelling at me. He's in the room behind me. He's gonna come out soon and probably beat me. Tristan Lanou, Young Guns to the Ducks. Outburst, Tim Stutzel. He'll probably come out of that back room like those one breakers that came out with the knife, that took a knife to his neck. It's on YouTube. I don't know how you'd search it, but yeah, it happened. Damien Garreau. He doesn't have teeth. I told ya. How about my pronunciation there with the French? Damien Garreau. Right? How about that? Canvas. Dufour. Ryan Shea to the Pens. He's not on my list. Jeremy Roenick on the canvas. Blue. Blackhawks. Looks different on the bottom. I don't know if it's blue or what, but it does look different. And I do know Jeremy Roenick was a good player. Currently not in the association. This makes me want to play an NHL game. I might buy a NHL and PGA Tour tonight on my N64. Jack Hughes, Checky. We're down to about 5 packs, folks. Come on. Where are you at, Bedard? Where are you at, man? We haven't seen any Bedard yet in this one. Hunter Shepard, Young Guns to the Caps. Canvas, Sebastian Aho.
Oh.
Yeah, he's good. McDavid insert. Ooh, here's something. Out of 100, Martin Fehervary to the Caps. 2 numbered cards in this break. I don't know if we had any in the first one. Gwinnett, Young Guns to the Senators. 2 packs remain, everybody. 2 packs. Come on. Marshall Canvas to the Golden Knights. All right, last pack. Here we go. Come on, Bedard. Don't sleep on us, dude. Braden Point Dazzlers. Zach Benson, Young Guns. I think he's good. Is he on my sheet? He is. Sabres. Arguably the 3rd best guy. Arguably. He's up there. He's the top guy. So Sabres get a little something there to cap us off. He's going in a top load because he's on my list. All right, let's do a recap. Tyler, can you actually look for Leo Carlson with 2 S's? See what his Young Guns are doing, please. I think you'll be wrong, but I won't argue with you. Zach Benson exclusives out of 100. Man, exclusives. I don't even know if there's exclusive Young Guns, but I mean that would be a big one for Bedard.
Highest one's listed for $450 or best offer.
450, like $450. Yeah, I figured he would be a decent one. It's probably $200-300. I'm guessing. If Bedard's bringing in 800, I think he's probably a fourth of it, maybe.
Talking about just the base one,
Yeah.
$99.
There's only nine. It's only 99. You can buy one for 99.
When someone bought one for 99.
Oh, when someone just bought it right away, they might have listed it wrong. You know what I mean? Nice hit here. Best hit of the break. Leo Carlson, Ducks. And the Matt Tompkins, the 250 there. All right, number 2 is in the books. So I'm going to set up number 3, and then I'm out of here, and then Tyler's going to take the way for the rest of the day. All right, guys, we'll be back in a bit. Thank you.